internet. And good morning. I mean, whatever time you're listening to this, you are tuned into No Chill Film. Scene kya hai? The only radio show where your problems are either solved or you double it and give it to the next person. I am Aji Vaid, your unlicensed therapist and only girly whose job is to talk while you're suffering through the traffic you're stuck in. If you were planning to be productive, bro, you might have chosen the wrong show. Just kidding, guys. Now, let's take a quick detour because even beautiful, chaotic radio show needs a sponsor. And my cravings want me to spill some tea about our sponsor. This episode is powered by Zomato, the only app that knows about your cravings better than your mom. Even if your mom thinks you are cooked, Zomato will handle it. And cooking is an absolute life skill that all of us knows. And then we all proceed to completely ignore that at 11 p.m. when we were hungry and tired and emotionally compromised. But order now, Zomato, because life is already killed, bro. And at least Zomato handle that department. Alright, people. Today I have two very special guests who represent two completely different lifestyles, but the same level of मैं क्या करूं वाली vibe. First up, a content creator who has convinced the internet that his confusion is actually content. Ladies and gentlemen, and our real scrollers, Dale.
I don't just create content, dude. I create reasons for people to procrastinate. You're welcome, society.
Boy, you're literally a weapon of mass destruction. And joining us from the corporate multi-universe, a woman who has survived multiple necessary meetings this week alone. Achal.
I don't work. I attend meetings and pray someone else know what's happening so I can ask them later.
Bro, that's not a job. That's low-key routine at this point. And you're not getting paid enough for it. Real talk now. Who's actually happier in your respective fields? Content creator or corporate warriors? Go.
Honestly बताऊं, creators fake their happiness, but at least we are faking it on our terms and on our own schedule, but without any boss की yapping.
Hey Mr. Independent, you check your views every 5 minutes जैसे तेरी ex का text आए हो.
But at least मेरे views तो ऊपर जा रहे. Unlike your salary, it hasn't moved since COVID, bro.
Okay, that one actually hurt. HR को मिलना पड़ेगा उसके बाद, bro.
So they literally just cooked Achal in one line. Whoa.
Corporate life is basically भाई बस 5 मिनट का काम हो जाएगा और फिर 2 घंटे बाद भी काम चलता ही रहेगा.
Dude, the fact is, 5 मिनट का काम is the biggest scam since कल से पक्का जिम जाऊंगा.
Damn. What is the biggest lie that some creator tell their audience?
Guys, ये मेरा 100% honest opinion है. And I genuinely use this product every day. पर reality ये है कि ब्रांड ने पैसे और फ्री का प्रोडक्ट दिए हैं. बट एक हफ्ते से स्क्रिप्ट रेडी नहीं थी, तो यही बोलना रह गया.
So basically you're trying to say it's just a paid acting with a better lighting than my office?
और तुम doing unpaid मजदूरी in suits with a broken AC in the office.
I don't have comeback. बहुत accurate था ये तो.
Dude, this is not a radio show anymore. This is a therapy session that went so wrong so fast. Okay. Now, what if you had to swipe life for one day?
One meeting and मेरा हो जाएगा bro. Notice period कुछ नहीं, सीधा resignation.
Hitting one deadline without signing off from 6 people? Yeah, I would probably cry.
Now guys, forgot your work from home schedule. Forgot your pending projects. This is the part of the show where we play rapid fire. Rules are simple. No second thoughts and absolute no chat GPT, guys. Netflix binge or 8 hours of sleep.
Netflix bro. Sleep optional है. Stranger Things का plot नहीं.
Sleep any day, dude. I need to survive the 9 a.m. stand-up in the office.
Next, work from home or office.
Home sweet home. Pajamas don't judge your posture, bro.
Home? At least I can mute myself and scream freely while my boss rants about the profits and loss.
Coffee or an energy drink.
मेरी प्यारी white monster, bro. Instant productive mode and no regrets whatsoever.
Black coffee, it's my emotional support beverage.
Group projects or solo?
Solo project any day. Less collabs, lesser drama, bro.
Solo projects in group. I end up doing everything और कोई और क्रेडिट लेके चला जाता है.
Morning person or a night owl?
Productive wale nights. Mornings are for people who made better life choices than me.
Night time is where it's at. Morning should honestly be banned.
One word for your current job.
Freedom.
Ew. Most used excuse.
भाई अभी बिजी हूँ, बाद में बात करते हैं.
I am in a meeting right now. Said during lunch, during dinner, during sleep.
Biggest daily distractions.
My phone, obviously, bro.
My own brain and that lunch break ka wait.
Something you not but don't understand at all.
Tax, investments, basically anything related to adulting.
Every email that starts with, I'm sorry to inform you.
What is the biggest lie you tell yourself daily?
आज स्टार्ट करूंगा शूट, ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, ये लास्ट एक वीडियो एडिट करने के बाद.
I'll sleep by 11 tonight. Ha 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 ha.
One thing you hate but still doing every single day.
Editing, bhai, obviously. It's basically hearing the same song again and again and again and again. Ah,
Going to work every day against my will.
What gives you fake happiness?
likes, follows, comments.
Salary day for approximately 10 minutes before the मेरे को rent भी भरना है. Hits.
Saving or spending the moment money arrives.
Spending. YOLO, dude.
Spending so much in the start of the month sends me into depression by end of the month.
Fix your life or just ignore everything and keep going.
Ignore all the negativity. Negative comments आते रहेंगे, but you just have to ignore them and move on with your life and continue doing what you're doing, bro.
Last one. Overthink everything or not care all.
I don't care what others talk about. मैं तो अपनी छोटी सी दुनिया में खुश हूँ.
लाइफ में ओवर थिंकिंग होती है यार, पर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू जस्ट हैव टू मूव ऑन एंड शो दैट यू डोंट केयर एट ऑल. ऐसे ही तो आगे बढ़ते हैं सब.
Dude, I'm concerned for you both. Honestly, I'm a little worried about you guys. You both are something else. Alright, let's take a quick break because I have bills. The bills have feelings. And those feelings need some good healing music in high quality. This beautiful, chaotic, emotionally damaging show is powered by JBL, the brand that understands sometimes you don't need just an advice, you need some quality music to fix some parts of your life. When you put your JBL headphones on and suddenly you start floating like a Max in Stranger Things, the world become a music video. You became the main character. The bus ride becomes a movie show. Your walk becomes a cinematic affair. Plug in, tune out, and remember, you can't control your kismet, but you can control the volume. JPL peripherals because your ears deserve better than आपका boss का everyday punch. So my beloved listeners who have stuck around till now. Before we go, and I promise this is the one serious thing I say today. Before we dive back into the charges that are they will surprise us with, nobody, and I mean no one, has life figured out. Dane doesn't. Archer definitely doesn't. I, RJ White, absolutely do not. You know, life थोड़ी सी messy है dude. सबका सीन ऑलमोस्ट सेम है और जो लोग कॉन्फिडेंट दिखते हैं भाई वो भी सब चीजों को गूगल कर रहे होते हैं.
So just live your life, by Lord. Don't compare your behind the scenes content to someone else's highlights, especially mine.
And please, don't take chaos too seriously. Everybody's been there. सब अपने bad days survive किए हैं. वो actually एक solid track record है.
Stay savage, stay real, keep vibing. Craving हटाओ, Zomato मंगाओ. Stay motivated by plugging in your JBL headphones and enjoying that HD quality vibe. And always remember, सब ठीक हो जाएगा dude. बस थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. उसके साथ थोड़ी चाय और team roll भी लगेगा. This has been RJ Vibe, your favorite Chargers coordinator, singing off from No Chill FM. peace, love, unlimited Wi-Fi, and make your Monday feel like a Friday. You are watching No Chill FM, powered by Zomato in association with Spotify and listening partner JBL.